sa labas. Hey, wait for us! Natutuwa din siya.
It's Woody! Woody here. So what's flying RC reminds you of flying? Not that he can fly, after all. He is just a toy.
Yes, not
Just a toy.
yes.
Just a toy.
Come on, let's go.
Mama, let's ride the doggy.
Yes.
Sino ulit yung dog?
Kaya mo ba yan, baby?
Hey, howdy, hey! My name is Woody.
Para siya.
I hope you enjoy playing with toys because it's playtime.
Oh my God, baby, can I?
Mama, gusto ko yung dog. Gusto ko
Oh
yung
my
dog.
God.
Oh,
Baby, picture ka na, baby.
monkeys. Mama, yung ano, roller coaster na. Mama, yun pa.
Yeah, the soldier.
Ang gusto ko yung ano, yung na roller coaster yung dog. Sino ulit yun? Si Slingy. Si Sling. Si Sling ba yun? Ha? Si Sling ba yun? We're going to another ride. Slingy! Mama, ayun si Slingy. Ayun o, mas nakaganda. Mama,
Yes.
hindi matakot
Yes, we're
pala
going
si
to
Slingy.
ride there.
Hindi matakot pala si Slingy. Mama, look. Naikot lang.
Yes.
Nakakahilo.
No.
Bakit nakakahilo, ma?
No, it's not.
Oo nga. Ay, baka nakakahilo kasi naikot. Mama, yun yung safety Slingy.
Ito.
Kahit na kay Slingy. Sila Tita Mar.
Wait, let's wait for them. Lika muna. May iwan kasi nila tayo.